Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save scans in the photo album in the Vivino app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then we tap on settings. And here if you scroll down, under settings we find save scans in photo album. This means that when we scan a vine, it's going to save the scan as a picture in our album. So yeah, you can just tap on this to turn it on, and then you will have a separate album for your Vivino scans. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.